because I'm super duper tired.
Texting, replying, chatting.
On the live,
Mm-hmm.
but nobody said anything.
Sit down.
That's why I love to season my steak
Wow.
before, because it makes it like, mm,
Oh, maybe we should. Yeah. Season it like the other one yesterday. Just season it yesterday and do it today. Right, this was so good.
but it's okay. We had it already.
Mm-hmm.
There are times when we're gonna cook and we won't be able to
We
season our
don't,
meat before.
we don't have the time to wait.
And we don't buy the steak and freeze them. So
Mm-hmm.
once we get steak, we have to cook it within a certain time frame because we want to have it fresh enough with ice bite, all frozen and dried up.
Oh, can I have more black pepper? Oh, let me check the poll, babe.
Chocolate bowl.
Yeah, I'm making pepper steak, which is the best pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Chili pepper, 25%. Bell pepper, 75%.
Bell pepper.
Black pepper, 0.
Bell pepper. It is.
Mm-hmm.
I use bell pepper, but
Not for spice.
that's just for vegetable sake. No, for me to have it spicy, which I really do love and enjoy, I have to put black pepper in it because that gives it that oomph that it needs.
Like I'm
It's
feeling
just,
the import.
oh, it's everything with black pepper. So we do actually use black pepper along with our bell peppers. Never used chili pepper in this case.
Maybe okay.
Well, we've never used it. Don't know how it tastes with chili pepper.
Maybe okay. See how long.
Baby's moving a lot. Hope the baby is okay, but I believe the baby is okay. Mm.
It's so good.
It is good. Oh, it's okay, baby. Right here. It's always where I have my hand, baby. Thanks for joining us, guys.
Yeah, there's
We're
some
just
new
having
people. Tell them.
pepper steak and rice. We just cooked it. Now we're having a small dish of it because we're not too hungry. So yeah, that's what we're doing now.
Good time into.
It's not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be under an hour, so you can always